World Cup 2026, largest population. Can you choose which country in each of the 2026 World Cup has the largest population? Wow, good quiz. Group A, Czechia, Mexico it is. South Korea and South Africa, Mexico it is. Yeah, I'm right. Group B, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Canada, Qatar, Switzerland, Canada, Brazil, hi Brazil, Austria, Paraguay, United States, Turkey. Well, United States, Cote d'Ivoire, Koraka, Germany. It should be Germany. Group F, Japan, Netherlands, Tunisia, Sweden. Japan or Netherlands? Yeah, Japan. Group G, Belgium, Egypt, New Zealand, and Iran. Iran or Egypt? Egypt. Yeah. Cabo Verde, Saudi Arabia, Uruguay, Spain. Well, Spain. It should be Spain. Group I, France, Iraq, Senegal, not France. Group J, Algeria, Argentina, Jordan, Austria. Yeah, got wrong. Colombia, DR Congo, Uzbekistan, Portugal. Either Uzbek or Congo. Congo. I think Congo. Yeah. Croatia, England, Panama, Ghana. Croatia or England? Ghana. Two missed. Well, nice. Not bad. 83%. Thank you, everyone.